There has always been a fascination with Mars. We can go back to astronomer Percival Lowell, who believed that there were canals on Mars, according to Lowell. And if there are canals on Mars bringing water, there had to be a civilization on Mars. And from there we can go into the War of the Worlds, H.G. Wells' War of the Worlds. From there we can go to the first War of the Worlds movie, which probably was the best out of all the movies done after that in TV series. And today we still have a fascination with Mars as human beings still continue to land multiple robots on Mars. So according to this article, Linux has made it to Mars, literally has made it to Mars. The Perseverance rover, NASA's Perseverance rover, has landed on Mars. See, 100 million miles, if I recall correctly. I guess the two planets, Earth and Mars, closest converge is like every 26 months or something like that. But this robot, Perseverance, landed on Mars, and apparently it took with it a tiny helicopter. I'm not sure how this thing is going to fly, considering that the air on Mars is very thin. I'm going to guess that because this has two rotor blades, that this thing is going to spin fast enough so this thing can rise maybe not that far off the ground to take pictures and videos of Mars from the sky. If it can work that way, I think it's cool. So this thing called Ingenuity, NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory senior engineer Tim Canham, he says that this is the first time we'll be flying Linux on Mars. The software framework that we're using is one that developed at JPL for CubeSats and instruments, and it was open sourced a few years ago. It's called F' or F prime. It's open source. That means if you want to fly with Linux here on Earth using the same software JPL uses, you certainly can. It says it's kind of an open source victory because we're flying an open source operating system and an open source flight software framework and flying commercial parts that you can buy off the shelf if you wanted to do this yourself. I don't know about you guys, but this is pretty cool. Mars, Linux is running on Mars in the form of a tiny helicopter called Ingenuity. Hence the power of Linux. So congratulations NASA and the entire crew there at the JPL, and hoping to see some more cool pictures and videos, maybe something unusual. You never know with Mars, a planet that's always had a fascination for us humans for many years, and a planet that's at least 100 million miles away. Amazing. So congratulations to the entire team at NASA.